Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Karen Abelende from Antique, Philippines. I'm 41 years old, married, and I have 3 kids aged of 18, 12, and 3 years old. I'm the youngest in the family. I'm a high school graduate. I'm an honest, kind, hardworking person. I work as a helper here in the Philippines. I serve 4 members in the family, a couple, and 2 kids aged 9 and 11 years old. My duty is taking care of kids, cooking and preparing the meals, washing dishes, doing laundry, ironing clothes, cleaning the house, marketing, and many more. I also work as a helper in Jeddah, KSA. I serve an old couple. My duty is taking care of my employer who is a paralyzed man, giving him shower, changing diaper, giving medicine, and feeding him food, and also cleaning the house, do laundry and ironing clothes, and assist the wife in cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give a better future for my kids. And Hong Kong is the safest country to work with. Ma'am, sir, please choose me as your helper. I promise I will do my best to do my duties and I will finish my 2 years contract and I'm willing to work as long as you needed me. I will treat your children as my children too. Thank you in advance and God bless.